Hey guys, welcome back to Cook You Bastards. You know, it's summertime, sun's out, birds are singing, and I'm thinking about one thing. Barbecue. There are a lot of guys here on YouTube who are awesome at grilling. I'm not one of them, which is kind of ironic because I got paid for a couple of seasons to actually grill for paying customers. That was a long time ago. It's one of my missions this summer to get better at it. But in the meantime, if you suck like I do, or you live in an apartment, or for whatever reason you don't want to fire up your barbecue, check this out. Awesome pulled chicken recipe, no barbecue required. So you start with 2 cups of ketchup, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 of a cup of white vinegar, some Worcestershire sauce, some mustard powder, chipotle paprika and garlic powder, salt and pepper, a couple of onions, and that's for me. Very carefully dump all that shit together in one pot. Cut the onions into quarters and throw them in too. Then you take 6 chicken breasts, mix it all up in there. Now simmer it for 2 hours, but start on low heat because all that sugar is going to want to burn. And once it cooks for a little bit, it's going to loosen up. You can use a slow cooker here if you want. I'm old school. I do it on the stove. We're going to let that cook. For the full recipe, check out my website, cookyouBastards.com. And you can get a full shopping list on my kit page, kit.com, Cook You Bastards. All right, so the thing that goes great on pulled chicken is coleslaw, and you got to make your own. Take a head of cabbage and butcher the fucker. There's probably a better way to do this, but you want to get the core out. Take a couple of carrots, peel them, chop them in half. All right, now here's the part where you get to pat yourself on the back for buying that food processor years ago. Drag it out of whatever dark corner you keep it in, dust it off, and this is going to be the one day a year you'll actually use the thing. Put the slicing blade in and slice up half the cabbage. Probably have to trim it a little bit to get it to fit in the damn chute. Dump that into a bowl. Put in the shredder blade, show the carrots who's boss. Throw them in the bowl with the cabbage and, make some introductions. Now here's the part with the actual flavor. Take about a cup of mayo, splash of rice wine vinegar, some salt and pepper, mix it all up. Do it by hand if you want. I got a bunch of gizmos lying around, so I use those. Add the sauce to the gut bomb shreds and mix it all up. Stick it in the fridge for a couple hours before you use it because it'll taste better that way. Alright, 2 hours, chicken breasts are done. Put them in a bowl and strain the sauce. Get all that flavor in there. Then you shred the chicken with a fork. Or if you're a purist, you can pull it with your fingers. Pause for a moment here to subscribe to this channel because, let's be real, you can already tell this recipe is going to kick ass. Once you've done that, put about half the sauce on the chicken. Remember, those are chicken breasts, so even though they've been stewed for a couple hours, they're still going to be dry as hell. Put a good mound of it on a roll, sauce it some more, top it with the coleslaw, serve it with a lot of beer. That's good eating. All right, let me know what you think. Check out my website at cookyouBastards.com. Share the hell out of this. Thanks a lot, guys. Cheers.